Hello everyone, today is day 16 and the topic of the day is product of array except self. So the problem here is that you are given a sorted array and you have to calculate the product of all the numbers except for the element that you're calculating. Except for the index that you're calculating. For example, these are the indices, and if you're calculating for the index 1, so the multiplication will be 1 into 3 into 4. As you can see, we are calculating product of all the numbers except for the index that we are calculating. So here is the product: 24 for the 0th position, 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. 12 for the first position, 1 into 3 into 4. Subsequently, we get the answers. So there are two approaches for this problem. One is the brute force approach, one is the optimal approach. An optimal approach is the most feasible one, so we'll discuss this one. And how we approach the problem here is that we calculate the prefix and suffix and then product of the prefix and suffix. Explaining this in a very layman language, the prefix part, as you can see, for position 0 we have no prefix, so we'll initialize it with 1 since we have to find the product, so just take 1. For position 1 we have prefix 1, so we'll take 1. For position 2 we have prefix 2 into 1, so we'll take 2 into 1, that is 2. And for position 3 we have 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. So here we got the prefix, but how we will represent this in the code? As you can see, each prefix is a multiplication of the previous one. Like 6 is the multiplication of 2 and 3. So we can represent this at nums I minus 1 and prefix I minus 1. Just multiply the previous one. The same goes for the suffix part. We'll calculate from the backwards. For the position 3, we have no suffix, so we'll initialize it with 1. For position 2, we have suffix 4, so we'll take 4. For position 1, we have suffix 3 into 4, we'll take 12. For position 1, we have suffix 2 into 3 into 4, that is 24. Now, how we will represent each suffix in the code? The logic is, we'll take the multiplication of the earlier one. Like 12 can be represented as a multiplication of 3 into 4, which we can write as I plus 1, nums I plus 1 and suffix I plus 1. So this is the logic, and this logic you can apply here in the code.